If you manage maintenance for heavy-duty vehicles, trucks, trailers, buses, heavy equipment, or emergency vehicles, you already know that spreadsheets and paper inspections don't scale. In this video, we're taking a look at one of the most popular heavy-duty shop management platforms out there, Fullbay, and exploring who it's best suited for in 2026. This episode is sponsored by Fullbay, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What is Fullbay? Fullbay is a maintenance and compliance platform built for heavy-duty repair shop management and fleet operations. Unlike general CMMS tools that try to serve every industry, Fullbay is designed for organizations that manage heavy-duty vehicles and complex inspection workflows, including long-haul and regional trucking fleets, trailer and intermodal operations, agriculture and farming equipment, transit and school bus fleets, refuse and waste management companies, emergency and municipal vehicles, and more. At its core, Fullbay brings together fleet maintenance management, including work orders, preventative maintenance, repair history, and more, compliance tracking and audit readiness, customer communication, estimates and invoicing, asset-level visibility across vehicles and trailers, and more. The goal isn't just to log maintenance, it's to ensure inspections happen, issues get fixed, and documentation is always audit ready. Fullbay, strengths and differentiators. Here's where Fullbay stands out in 2026. Built specifically for heavy-duty operations, Fullbay is not a generic maintenance tool. The platform is designed around real fleet workflows, including inspections tied directly to vehicles and trailers, defect reporting that feeds maintenance queues, and compliance documentation that aligns with DOT expectations. Inspection to repair workflow. Drivers and technicians complete digital inspections, flag defects, and those issues flow directly into maintenance workflows done via an add-on with whip around. Nothing gets lost on paper, and nothing relies on someone manually re-entering data later. Preventative maintenance that's actually enforced. PM schedules can be driven by mileage, time intervals, or inspection results, helping fleets reduce missed services and avoid reactive breakdowns. Compliance visibility without the scramble. Instead of pulling records together during an audit, Fullbay keeps inspection history, repairs, and documentation centralized and searchable, reducing last-minute stress and compliance risk. Designed for technician adoption. Mobile inspections and structured workflows help increase participation, especially for teams transitioning off paper. Themes from Fullbay reviews. Across Fullbay's customer stories and third-party reviews, several consistent outcomes appear among heavy-duty fleets. What customers say they like. Faster inspections and audit prep. In multiple case studies, fleets describe cutting inspection workflows by roughly 30 to 50% and eliminating last-minute dot audit scrambles. Meaningful time savings for maintenance leadership. Fleet managers at organizations like Transwest report saving several hours per week by consolidating inspections, work orders, and compliance tracking into a single system, reducing manual follow-ups and spreadsheet management. Fewer missed services and breakdowns. Fleets using Fullbay for mileage and inspection-driven preventative maintenance report fewer missed PMs and fewer roadside issues, as flag defects are routed directly into repair workflows instead of getting lost on paper. Higher inspection completion rates. Many customers report near complete inspection compliance after rollout, compared to inconsistent completion rates with manual processes. Better insight into asset health and cost. Customers consistently highlight improved visibility into repeat failures, high-cost vehicles, and maintenance trends, helping leadership identify problem assets earlier and make more informed repair versus replace decisions. What customers say you should validate. Change management still matters. While Fullbay improves adoption, customers emphasize the importance of training and rollout planning, especially for teams moving off long-standing paper processes. Slower loading in busy workflows. Some users note that Fullbay can feel slower in certain areas, particularly around loading screens, work orders, and reviews before invoicing. While not constant, these delays can add friction to daily operations when teams are moving quickly. Best fit is clearly heavy duty. Reviews consistently position Fullbay as a strong fit for trucks, trailers, buses, refuse fleets, and emergency vehicles, not light duty or general facility maintenance use cases. Analyst takeaway. Who is Fullbay best suited for? From an analyst perspective, Fullbay is a strong choice if you operate heavy-duty vehicles and need maintenance, inspections, and compliance to work together. It's especially well suited for fleets that want to eliminate paper inspections, improve PM compliance, reduce audit stress, gain real visibility into fleet health, and more. If you're running trucks, trailers, buses, or similar assets, and generic CMMS tools feel like a mismatch, Fullbay is worth a close look. We recommend scheduling a demo through the link in the description to see how it maps to your inspection and maintenance workflows. I'm Devin Hennig with Select Hub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.